Hey friends, it's Hope from digthegoodlife.com and welcome back to our little home in the mountains. And today I'm going to be showing you how I made this wooden bead essential oil diffuser necklace with nothing but a few beads and an old recycled t-shirt. So you're only going to need a few supplies for this project. It's really easy and you can do it really quickly. It's perfect for a little nap time craft project. So the only things you're going to need are an old t-shirt. I chose this kind of stretchy tank top. You can see where I cut it. I liked this one because of the sort of neutral pattern on it. I thought it would be pretty. And then you'll need some wooden beads. You want to make sure that the beads have a hole that is large enough for the t-shirt material to go through. These are a 1/8 opening, and I have some of these beads linked to Amazon for you so that you can look at what kind you need, or you can pick them up easily from Amazon if that's what you wanted to do. The only other things that you'll need are a pair of good sharp sewing or fabric scissors and a bobby pin like this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is lay your t-shirt out so that you can get a good idea of what spot you're going to cut from. I would suggest that you cut as long of a piece as you can, and if you want to make it shorter later you can always do that. But go ahead and lay it out. I chose a piece from the shoulder back here, so that's what I would do again. I would cut from the shoulder all the way down here to the bottom. And this fabric is nice because it has these lines that you can follow. It's totally fine if yours doesn't, but it does make it easier to sort of keep your width even. I'm just gonna trim the ends off to get rid of that hem, sort of at an angle. Okay, now we're ready to put our beads on. And you can add some kind of a little clasp here at the end if you would like to make it easier to take on and off. So far what I've just been doing is putting it around my neck and tying a little double knot, and it's been very easy with this soft stretchy material to just untie it when I'm ready to take it off. So that works too. So this easy necklace is customizable any way you want to make it. You could make your string long and have a long beaded necklace. You could make it even shorter. You could use any color, a bright color, a white or a black like I did, a neutral, anything you want to do. I have put some Joy essential oil on here. Joy is a really pretty bright floral scent that just makes me feel happy. So I get to enjoy that smell throughout the day. And that's one of the great things about a diffuser necklace. You can place a drop or 2 or 3 on your beads and you can smell throughout the day and reap the benefits of the essential oils. And you can choose an oil that sort of coincides with what you might need some support in at the moment. If you want to feel happy and peppy, there's some great oils for that, like orange and peppermint. And if you're needing some calming, maybe you're feeling a little stressed, you need to relax, there's some great oils to choose for that. Lavender Stress Away is a blend Young Living makes that I just absolutely love. You can hop on over to my blog post at digthegoodlife.com. I'll leave a link down in the description, and you can read more about some specific oils that you can use on your necklace for different purposes, and also some reasons why essential oils work so well with our brain, and why they're great for emotional and mental support, and why they're so great at helping us with our feelings. A couple tips about essential oils: make sure you're getting good essential oils. I would not recommend going to Walmart and grabbing a bottle of peppermint off the shelf. There are no standards in labeling with essential oils. You want to know where the oils come from and how they extract them from the plant. You don't want chemicals used. You don't want other things added to your oils. My favorite company that I use is Young Living, and that's where I get my oils. All my oils come from Young Living, and I trust them, and that's what you want when you pick an essential oil company. It doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to go the extra mile of using essential oils because you want to use something natural and non-toxic, and then buying something cheap that really kind of defeats the purpose. You're not going to get the therapeutic benefits. You're not going to get the purity that you're looking for. So that's some more information you can find on my blog down in the description below. You'll find some links. Check out the information that I have and read a little bit about it. My blog post will also have photos and a tutorial that you can look at and read if you're the type of person who wants to read about things. And I'll have all the links for my favorite sewing scissors and the kind of beads that have the right size hole and all that kind of stuff. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!